Raining money, app, electro question. Why is the plus symbol considered positive? A. It is a cross that represents enduring opposition. B. In Sanskrit, it means to be able to persevere. C. It symbolizes the air, a field, a fold, an enclosure for cattle and sheep. Or D. All. A, B and C. Get our free app and get a bucket for the cash. New questions every 30 minutes. Skip on over to rainingmoney.com or be social with us at Raining Money CRM. Raining Money app is brought to you by Applimen. To know is not enough. We must apply.